The short answer is no. I'll tell you why. I've gotten a lot of solo ad vendors that have approached me over the years. I even still get some to this day. And from what I can tell you from experience, is if you see any solo ad provider approach you, like let's say they add you as a friend on Facebook, and then you start talking to them, and then they start selling you their services, you don't actually want to do business with them. Because a lot of the times, the stories I've heard from people that do business with solo ad vendors who approach them without doing their proper research first is they end up getting scammed. They either don't get their clicks delivered or they do get their clicks delivered, but the results are crap. I remember I had a buddy of mine, Jason Hopkins, who did a solo ad run with a vendor, and he never got his clicks delivered. And he got really frustrated because he lost money from doing business with that solo ad vendor, and it created a distrust in him into thinking that solo ads don't work. I'm here to tell you that there are solo ad vendors who are reputable, who their traffic is very good, but be mindful of solo ad vendors that approach you and ask you for business. Just because they take the time to message you and friend you, it doesn't mean that they have your best intentions. And it also shows that they need some business, that they are desperate for sales. Because a solo ad vendor only has one goal in mind. It's just to sell you clicks. So if you see any solo ad vendor approach you and they're being pushy about it, stay away from them. Don't do business with them. Do your research, learn how solo ads work, learn the whole formula behind that. And once you do, you'll be able to search out solo ad vendors who are reputable, who have good quality traffic, and when you do everything right, you can get great results with them.